cooking. Yeah. What's up with it, family? In a place, in your face, it's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another recipe, baby. And today we are making some delicious fried cabbage and smoked sausage. This dish is flavorful, simple. You can have it as a side dish, or you can have it as your entree. Let's get into it. Yeah, just to show you how simple this dish is, these are all the ingredients we're gonna need. We got us a head of cabbage, got us a package of smoked sausage, got some Lawry seasoning salt, onion powder, black pepper, got a fresh bell pepper, and we got some olive oil. That's all we're gonna need to make this delicious fried cabbage with smoked sausage. Yeah. Let's go ahead and start on our prep work. Get our cabbage cut. So we're just gonna split it down the middle. There we go. Take our core out right here. So we just go around it, basically making a V shape. Should just pop right out of there. Just like that. There's your core. We're just gonna cut it into bite sizes. There we go. Got our other half cut. So now let's just get it washed. So we got our cabbage in our strainer. And that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna wash it out. Make sure it's cold water. Just move it around a little bit. Let the water get in there. And let it set while we cut our bell. Just take our bell pepper. We're gonna only use a half. If you want to use the whole thing, be my guest. But we're only gonna use a half. So let's just get the top out. Just like that. You just knock the seeds out. Let's just take a half bell pepper. We're just gonna cut them in julienne slices. So there's our bell peppers right there. Last but not least, get this sausage cut. And this is how we stretch our sausage. So you just split it down the middle, cut these down. Right, now we got our sausage cut up. Let's move on to the stove, baby. All right, so over medium high heat, we're gonna add us some olive oil, maybe about 2 tablespoons to our pot. Let that heat for a minute. All right, as you can hear, that olive oil is hot, baby. Put them sausage in there. All right, so now we're gonna cook our smoked sausage till it get a little texture on there. Couple of minutes. All right, so our sausage is doing what we needed to do. Been cooking for a couple of minutes. Go ahead and add them bell peppers in there, baby. Just mix everything in. And we're just gonna cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let these bell peppers get tender on us. So everything been going about 3 to 4 minutes. We just give everything a stir around. There we go. That's what we want right there. Let's get this cabbage in here. There we go. Start to cook and shrink down. There we go. Got it all in there. We're gonna give this a second. We're gonna let it cook down. We're gonna come back. We're gonna throw some seasoning to it. Put some flavor into it. So as you see, it then went down a little bit. Just go ahead and throw some seasoning on it, and we're just gonna season it to taste. We're gonna hit it with some Lawry seasoning salt. I'll say about a 1.5 teaspoons. Don't want to over season it because you can't take it out. So add a little bit, then you go back later and add what you need. Same with onion powder. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of that. And of course, you gotta have that black pepper, baby. I'm gonna hit it with about a teaspoon of that. Let's just get it moved around a little bit. Be careful. You want to knock all of your cabbage out of your pot. Just get everything mixed in. So as you can see, got everything pretty much mixed up, mixed in. Sausage and our bell peppers from the bottom, and then we got it all incorporated into our cabbage. So let's pop a lid on it, cook it 15-20 minutes till it's tender. But before that, we're gonna come back, we're gonna taste it. We're gonna let it cook for about 10 minutes. We're gonna taste it. We're gonna make any adjustments we need. Then we're gonna finish it out in a minute. So let's check our cabbage, give it a stir, and we're gonna taste for likeness. As you can see, it went down tremendously. So let's just get everything stirred around. The water that the cabbage have made, its seasoning, have seeped into it. Not seeped, seeped. Taste it, see what we got. See if we need to make any adjustments. So I added some more Lawrys. Let's just get that mixed in. Where we need to be. So now, one thing we have to do, cook for about another 5-7 minutes. Let the rest of this cabbage get tender. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be all. And there it is, baby. Fried cabbage. We in this bit cooking. Yeah. Look at that. Fried cabbage in our bowl, baby. Yeah. There we have it. Fried cabbage and smoked sausage. Yeah, look at that. All right, family, that is it. That is all. Check us out. It's that Southern Fried Cabbage, y'all. Oh, yeah. Southern Fried Cabbage. Let's taste it. Ooh, still hot, baby. Still hot. That's it, y'all. Downright delicious, baby. If you like this video, if you found value in this video, hit the like button. If it's your first, second, third time, hit the subscribe button. Share it with your people. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. Because we're doing it. Yeah. Fried cabbage, baby. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. Gone.